All right, hello guys. You are welcome. My name is Clinton Felix, and in this particular short tutorial, I want to address a question that I've gotten a lot of times on this YouTube page concerning how to contact Facebook customer support directly and to chat with them directly. Now, this is one challenge that a lot of people have asked me severally, and I've done a video about it on how to do that on mobile. But for some reason, it looks as though some people are not actually, they are unable to still contact Facebook customer support live. So in this video, I want to talk about that exclusively and show you how to do that today and right now. So the first thing you want to do is to get your ads manager. So you can see right now I'm on my ad manager. To get that, you go to facebook.com// ads manager, and it will bring you exactly directly to your ads manager interface. Now when you get there, you will see an icon. Now my video here is covering that, so what I will do now, I will shift my video to this side. All right, great. So you can see this is a help question mark. So when you get there, you can click on this help question mark. So having clicked that, I'm going to take myself away from here too. I hope you don't mind. So great. You can see I clicked on the help, remember, and you can see this is recommended articles. They give you some kind of articles to sort of help you with solving that problem that you have. But most of the time, the articles do not really help. And what you want to do sometimes is actually to contact Facebook directly. So to do that, you click on this contact support team. This is it here. So I click on it, and it brings up the ad account that you want to, the ad account that you are currently on. Now, don't copy this because this is an example ad account. I'm going to be deleting it shortly. So the first thing you want to do is you click on this. It says, what is the issue that you are experiencing? Now, let's say there are a lot of issues people experience for which they want to talk to a Facebook ads expert live. So maybe it's your ad account that was disabled, or you had a failed payment, or you need to, there are several things, a lot of things. So let me choose the popular one, the ad account being disabled. So I click on that. Now, the first thing you see that it gives you a help article. And in that help article, they tell you about how to, get back your ad account. But most of the time, it's not very helpful. And what you want to do is actually to talk to somebody directly. So you see that I click on the get support. All right, there was a button there that I clicked on, and that's get support. So you can see these are options that you have to talk to one of the Facebook ads customer care representative. And this is the chat one, and this is email. Now for the chat, he says the average waiting minutes is 4 minutes. So I will click on the chat, and to continue to initiate this chat, I'll have to install or put in my email address, and I'll also put in my phone number here. So I'll put in some random number, right? Sorry. Okay, great. And then I'll put in my message. So message here. So when you've done that, then you can start your chat. Now, I will not go ahead to start this because these are not, correct credentials. But once you start the chat, what happens is that it takes you to another window where you wait, and then Facebook, a representative, joins you and talks to you about your issue and tries to resolve that issue for you. I hope that was clear. So the first thing you want to do, come to the ads manager. Secondly, get to the small question mark icon here. And the third thing, you choose the ads manager account that has issues, and then choose the chat. Click on the support first, and then choose the chat. Then pop in your details here and start the chat. So I hope that was very helpful. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Clinton Felix, and I want to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and leave a like on the button so that it helps out the YouTube algorithm. So see you next time. I hope that helps you make progress. So let me know what you think in the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.